Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sydney, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer. Let's get started with a quick warm-up. We're gonna start with 2 minutes up on our step. Just regular stepping. Getting some cardio in. Warming up that body. Waking up the muscles. Nice and easy step. Press those heels into that step as you go, working your glutes, waking up those thighs. Nice and easy breathing. And we're swinging our arms to help get our momentum going. Great job, guys. Keep stepping. We have about 1 minute left, and then we're gonna get off of our step and get into some warm-up movements. We have neck rolls, we have arm circles, a little stretch out for the obliques, and some knee marches. So good stuff to come. Just getting ready, warming up the body before we get into those exercises. Good job, guys. Keep breathing. Nice and easy steps here. All right, we're gonna get off our step here in 3, 2, and 1. All right, coming down to our mats. We're gonna do 30 seconds of head rolls. Nice and slow, working out all the kinks, getting a nice stretch all the way around. And switch it to the other side. All right, let's get into some arm circles. Swinging those arms forward. We're doing little arm circles. Little motions. Stretching out those arms, getting them all warmed up. Switch directions. All right, switching into reach overs. So we're just reaching up and over the top, getting a nice stretch right in those obliques. Keep breathing, those nice deep breaths. All right, finally, knee marches. Just getting our cardiovascular system going. A little bit different motion than we get on our step over there. A little bit more range of knee motion here. All right, 10 more seconds. Then we're gonna go back up onto our step. All right, let's get back up. Got 2 more minutes on our step. Let's pick up the pace a little bit this time. A little bit more of a quick step here. Just trying to get that heart rate up. Slowly progressing as we go. We started out slow, we're picking it up now. Really trying to get that body prepared for the full workout ahead. Keep breathing. We're about halfway through now, so if you can, pick up that pace just a little bit more. Really get going here, get a nice burn in those legs, get the heart pumping, the blood flowing. Great job, guys. About 30 more seconds left. We're gonna hop off of our stepper and get into some more exercises. Last 10 seconds. And hop off your stepper. We're gonna get into some side step squats. So stepping it out wide and dipping down, kind of forming a little smile shape with your booty. Working all the angles here. Warming everything up. Last one. Now we're gonna get into some press-ups. So come on down to your mat. We're gonna be on our knees, going all the way down to the floor, and then pressing it straight back up. Keep those elbows nice and tight to your body. Great job, guys. All right, last exercise here. We've got both sides, and then we're gonna be done. So we're gonna go into a little forward lunge and rotate over to the side, and right back up, rotate over to the side. Rotating to the same side as you're standing on with that front leg. Awesome job, guys. We're about halfway done with this exercise. Five more seconds. And 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right, shake it out. Awesome job, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you in the workout.